Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Diane. This is Craig. And this is our pirate pup, Bonnie. And together we are sailing out of sight.
Previously on Sailing Out of Sight, we pulled anchored and headed out of our anchorage of Hammock Bay near Camp Lejeune. We continued up the ICW past Camp Lejeune only to discover some ominous warning signs.
There's danger.
And finally, we made it to our destination, McCotter's Marina in Washington, North Carolina. This week, we're going to take you back to a dream come true before everything went sideways. A little sail around the Bahamas. Okay, first things first. Before we can raise the sails, I've got to get all these lines sorted out and organized.
I'm going to get a little bit further off because I got to kind of turn around and go back towards land. So I'll get a little further off before we actually pull it.
Time to raise the sail. Who needs to go to the gym? This is quite a workout.
You're all right. So clamp down on the in haul and then tighten the out haul. That's probably good because we're going to be on a downwind sail, so it probably the belly of the sail needs to be.
Okay, time to get our head sail unfurled. You know, we really like our new head sail. We think it's pretty nice. The engine's off, the sails are up, and now time to enjoy some peace, quiet, and the lapping of the waves.
We got 7 knots of wind and we're sailing downwind, so it makes it harder when you don't have much wind, as any shift in the wind causes your sails to run.
Craig's going to adjust our course a little bit so we can catch a little bit more wind.
It dropped off.
Well, we lost the wind again. Time to jibe.
Why don't you let me do the boom?
Okay.
Because I can do it from back here,
Okay.
and then you can just do the jib.
Okay.
It'd be easier if the table was up.
Yeah. It's in the way.
Alright, we're going to start coming around.
During a jibe, it's very important to control the speed of the boom as it comes around. Therefore, Craig's going to be handling the boom while I handle the jib sheet. Ready?
Yep.
Just so you know, pulling the jib sheet shouldn't be this hard. Something's not quite right. We got to figure it out.
Side over there.
Aha! The jib sheet is stuck underneath the dinghy, which is being stored on the front deck of the boat. I've got to run out and get that thing loose.
I am.
Well, now the dinghy's crooked.
Then you need to try to straighten it back out.
Yeah, I do want to straighten back out.
So I've got to go back out on deck and get it straightened up. No rest for the wicked.
Dinghy on the deck has advantages and disadvantages. We got the fishing rods out. We've got this one. And back here you can, if you look back in the waves, you can see it, the bird churning up the water. And then I've got this one out here out a little bit further. Hopefully we'll catch something that we could eat. Might as well give it a try, you never know. Well, we've sailed about 10 miles, but we've only made it 6 miles towards our destination. That's the way sailing goes. It's been a real good sail so far. No fish yet though.
Fish on!
Titan?
I cannot. I don't know where he is. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's getting across. He just, either that or somebody's getting on the
Is it a barracuda? No. It's a knuckle.
Oh, the film, the camera fell over. Who knows when? Well, we got him up. Okay.
Holy mackerel! I'll go get a bucket.
On the line.
He doesn't fit. Let's put him head down.
I got Spanish mackerel on my hand.
Well, we're within a mile and a quarter of the entrance to place to anchor. Go in, find a good anchor. It's supposed to be really good in all conditions, so we'll see. But anytime you read a review about anchorages, it's kind of like reading a review on a restaurant. The responses are all over the place. Some people say it's great, some people say it sucks. So I guess you never know until you have your experience.
As long as we don't brag, I don't care.
Yeah. All right.
Well, we hit another milestone. We got to sail in the Bahamas. Time was short, but I promise we'll be back.
Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring the little bell. Bottoms up! Thanks for watching.